Hello guys, and welcome to another video of how to tutorial channel. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make HD best impression thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So it's just so simple that anyone of you can make this. So which app I use is Pixellab, and I recommend you that you should use this too, because it is the most popular thumbnail making app or any photo editing app. So let's begin. So you can easily download it from the Google Play Store, or let me make you sure that it is not available on the App Store in iPhone or iOS. It is only available in Android phone. So first, I'm making this video for your Android user, but in my next video I will make a video for how to make a thumbnail in iOS. So if you want to watch my videos, or please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get notification. So let's get started. Open your app after downloading from the Play Store, and this is the interface you would see for the first time even. So what you have to do is, now here are some options, and like you see here is my projects. Here you will see those images or photos which you have edited or made your thumbnails. When you will save from here, my save as project, they will appear as, in that option. So first of all, you need to select any background. You can see here there are many type. Just tap on any and select of your own choice. Then second thing is, if you have like an example cooking channel or tech channel or any other, so if and you are using your images from your gallery, so what you have to do is that here is the plus icon, tap on that, and here from gallery, and it will show you your recent images. This is my thumbnail which I have made for this video. I will show you how to make this from properly. So you can choose your images from there. And here is the delete option if you want to delete any image. So one thing that you have to select the from images from your gallery from the plus button, and you can also add the text here. You can add text from here, and just by double tapping it you can write anything if you want. So next thing is, here is the undo button. If you have done something wrong, you can just tap on this button and it will be removed. And then let me show you how to make I made this thumbnail. So I have just select a background first, like this. This is the best background I like. And then the most important thing you need to remember is that you need to select your YouTube thumbnail size. How you will do that, click on that three dot menu and select image size, and then custom, and then select YouTube thumbnail, and then click OK. Once this is done, just remove that new text layer. You can remove from this is the layer option. It will show you how many layers you have made, so simply you can delete from here. Then the next thing comes that you should write anything on your thumbnail. You can increase the size of this by tapping on it, and then write anything, just like I did, make HD. One thing you should remember, that you should make separate layers of text, because sometimes you need to increase the size of only one or two words, and this will let you to increase the size of what word you want to make bigger. And then many of you also want to change colors of, just like I did. I choose make HD color different, and then best impression color different. Like anything you would write in different colors, so you should make it in separate words. So the next thing comes is the color and background. Once you have written your words, then you tap on that and click on A button down, and then scroll down and scroll left, and you will see the size option. Here you can click and increase the size of the text by simply scrolling. And then here is the color option. You can select any color, just uh, what you want, like this, and just tick. And then comes a opacity button, that how visible it should be. Then comes the font main. You can select any font from here. I mainly choose this Amaranth Bold. Then what comes is the style option. Here you can make it bold. It is automatically bold what font we have selected, and you can underline it. And if you don't, you just tap on this undo tick. And then comes the background. When you click on the background, you should enable first and then choose any color, like this looks beautiful. Then make HD, and then you should write separate words again. So I am speeding this and writing this, and you should watch. So guys, this is the sentence which I've written. So the next thing comes, if you want to add any shapes like arrow button, just like I have used, or any other thing. So what you have to do is you can download from the internet also, but in this Pixellab app you can easily get these shapes. So what you have to do is just simply click on this button after a writing button, and then you will see that here you can also draw and import, and it is the option here shapes. So you just click on that, and just click on this select file image box, and then you would see that there are different shapes. So you can add any one you like. So I use is this one. And then what you have to do is, if you want to choose any color, you can make it small or large. And you what color you have to select is, you can select from here. You can choose any color and then just tap tick. So the next thing I use is an app icon. So I downloaded it from the internet, and I will show you in the next upcoming videos that how you can download a transparent image from the Google or any website. And I will also show you that how you can make any image background erased. So if you want to watch those videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get notifications. So the next thing comes is, I have downloaded this icon from the transparent icon from the internet, and then I have to place it right here. So the next last step was that I have written the app name, which was Pixellab. The one main I like about this application is that it gives us an option of layers, and we can choose any layer, and we can, main thing is that we can lock any layer. So in this way we can easily we cannot lose our work. Like I am not able to click on any of that. Sometimes it happens that you misclick that, and it suddenly disappears or what like that. So this is a very good thing. So when you have want to click on any, or you want to just unlock, just simply click on unlock. So this is the main thumbnail which I use, and you can make any thumbnail like this or HD if you want, or you are making your thumbnails, want to make thumbnail the best impression thumbnail or best quality. So this was one image which I have made and I show you. And if you want me to show you how I made more thumbnails, just comment below. And one other thing main which I want to show you, that how what I used in my previous videos, like this I made this is the thumbnail which I used in my previous video. You can click on the video and watch that video. I have given the link on the I button. So this was the thumbnail which I used to make. I just simply capture an image from my mobile, a screenshot, and then import it from here from gallery, and then I write some words like this. You can see PUBG banned, and I added background from here. What just when you write a text on that, when you have written this, and you need to do just this to add a background. Uh, Click on the background option and just enable it, and choose any color, just like I have choose white color, and the text color should be so black to be appearing. Color choose black. So this is what I done there. And if this is simply the normal color, and this without VPN I have shown you how to play. So I used a VPN icon from the internet, and just cross with what I use, how I use cross option here from Pixellab is it gives just click on the shapes option and click on the, and here you can see that cross option appears. Here you can see cross option appearing. So just click on that, and here comes, and you can choose its color too. So this was an easy method and professional method to make your thumbnails, the best quality thumbnails for YouTube, to rank your videos. So if you like this tutorial, please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, thanks for watching.